When you bring home a newborn, sleep feels like the most precious thing you've lost. The book, 12 Hours Sleep by 12 Weeks Old, is built around one simple but powerful idea. Babies are capable of learning healthy sleep habits early, and parents can gently guide them into sleeping 12 hours straight by around 3 months of age. It isn't about strict schedules or ignoring your baby's needs. It's about teaching rhythm, predictability, and self-soothing in a way that works for both the child and the parents. The foundation of this method is structure. Babies thrive when life follows a predictable rhythm. That rhythm comes from creating a consistent routine of eating, wake time, and sleeping. The principle is simple. Feed your baby on a set schedule during the day, about every 3 to 4 hours, and make sure the majority of calories are taken in while the sun is up. This helps your baby's internal clock understand the difference between day and night. Once a baby is well fed during the day, they don't need to wake repeatedly at night to eat. A big part of the plan is separating eating from sleeping. Instead of nursing or bottle feeding a baby to sleep, you feed them first, then let them have some awake time, and finally, put them down drowsy but not asleep. This way, your baby learns how to fall asleep on their own without relying on rocking, bouncing, or feeding as a crutch. At first, this might feel hard, because babies naturally want comfort, but with consistency, they develop the skill of self-soothing, which is what leads to those long stretches of nighttime sleep. The method also emphasizes early bedtime. Many parents keep babies up late, hoping they'll sleep longer, but overtired babies actually fight sleep more. A bedtime around 6 to 8 in the evening matches a baby's natural sleep rhythms and helps them settle more peacefully. By setting the bedtime early and sticking with it, you encourage restorative sleep cycles that build good habits for the long run. Now, it's important to recognize that the first weeks of life are about survival and bonding. The book doesn't expect a brand new baby to follow a rigid schedule. Instead, it encourages parents to gradually shape routines and guide sleep patterns as the baby grows. By 8 weeks, most babies can start following a more predictable routine, and by 12 weeks, many can make it through the night without needing feeds. Consistency is the secret ingredient. Babies learn quickly when they know what to expect. If parents stick with the same feeding times, nap times, and bedtime, the baby's body adjusts. If parents respond the same way each time the baby fusses in the night, the baby learns the rules of the game. If parents bend the rules one night and not the next, the baby gets confused and cries longer. Predictability brings calm. What makes this approach different is its balance. It isn't about cold, cry-it-out methods, nor is it about endlessly responding to every little whimper. It teaches parents to listen to their instincts while also giving the baby space to practice self-soothing. If the baby cries, you don't rush in instantly, but you also don't leave them for hours. You give them a chance to resettle before stepping in. Over time, those little chances build confidence in the baby's ability to sleep on their own. The results are life-changing. A well-rested baby is more alert, happier, and easier to care for during the day. A well-rested parent is calmer, more patient, and able to actually enjoy their child rather than stumbling through exhaustion. Sleep is not a luxury. It's a foundation for health and connection in the family. Of course, every baby is unique, and there are exceptions. Some babies have reflux, colic, or medical issues that require adjustments. Parents should always use common sense and talk with their pediatrician when needed. But the overall principle stands. Babies can learn to sleep well early, and parents can guide them with love, consistency, and a clear plan. After reading this book, my perspective is that healthy sleep isn't just luck or something only easy babies can do. It's a skill, parents can help teach. And the sooner you start, the smoother the journey becomes. Guiding your baby into 12 hours of sleep by 12 weeks isn't just possible. It's one of the greatest gifts you can give to your child and yourself.